Good morning, fourth graders. Welcome to our technology class. This is week 34. Let me get Lego Man.
Good morning, everyone. Oh my gosh, look at me. I'm a disaster. Fix your hat. I hope you guys are doing well. We're going to be doing more coding this week, so that's going to be fun.
Yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. And we also have some typing. So this week you have the WX semicolon keys. And the 2 weeks ago we did period and comma. So please make sure you're keeping up with the typing. That's good practice for you guys. And we are now moving into lesson 4 in code.org. So I hope everybody is keeping up with the code.org assignments so that you can get credit for them and do well. I'm going to start by putting the video on, and then we will get started.
While loops are pretty similar to what you do in everyday life. Imagine you are washing your car. You will keep scrubbing until it's clean. So while it's not clean, continue to scrub. So you're evaluating these things all the time. Hey there, we've got a new loop to help your farmer out. It's called a while loop. It's pretty simple actually. While a statement at the top is true, do something. For example, while there's a pile, remove one shovelful. Go ahead and give it a try with your farmer.
Okay, let's give it a try. So here we go. Look closely at the code below. What will happen after you click run? Move forward. While there is a pile, remove. So it says, oops, I'm sorry. For some reason I already clicked on it, but the answer is C. The farmer will remove dirt as long as there is a pile, then stop when the pile is gone. So that's the answer. So if we run, it's going to say that I got it wrong because it was clicked on the wrong one. But the answer should be C. Okay, so let's continue. Oh my, there's a pile so big that it's hard to guess how much dirt is in it. We've added a new block to the toolbox called the while there is a pile block. Use this to remove dirt only while there is still some to scoop. So let's see. So she's going to move forward, and then while there is a pile, she's going to remove. So we're using that block. So there she goes. Great job. So you're using the conditional block. Let's try that again, but with more piles. Oh my. So move forward. While there is a pile, remove. Let's see what happens. Oh, and she has to do that how many times? We forgot. She's doing it 1, 2, 3 times. So we need a repeat block. Forgot about that. Now let's do it. Yay, there she goes. Great job. So you're using the repeat block and your conditional block. Now the harvester needs to pick all of the lettuce. Use while there is lettuce inside of a repeat loop to get it all. So she's going to do a move forward. While there is lettuce, pick lettuce, and then she's going to repeat how many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. And then let's see what happens. Yay, she got all the lettuce. Great job. Pick all of the lettuce. So let's see what she's doing. So we're going to use a repeat block because we can see it's a bunch of times. Going to use a move forward. While there is lettuce, she's going to pick the lettuce. And she's going to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So there she goes, picking all the lettuce. She's following a pattern of moving forward and picking lettuce. Yay! All right, let's watch this video.
Every athlete knows that you get good by practicing, by repeating the same moves until you get really good, or until you reach your goal. When I was in high school, I wouldn't leave practice until I made 10 free throws in a row. Similarly, when you get to a computer program and repeat a command, you can give it an exact number of times to repeat. Or you can define a goal and tell it to repeat the command until it reaches some goal. In the next example, the repeat block is changed. Instead of specifying how many times you want it to repeat, you can use the repeat until block to tell the angry bird to do the same thing until it gets the pig or until it crashes into a wall. And again, we can put multiple blocks inside the loop and repeat a series of actions.
Okay, so let's see. Press continue. The lettuce is now only at the end of the path. Travel down the path until you reach a head of lettuce. Then continue to pick it while there is still some left. So let's see. We're going to be moving forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And then, so we're going to be repeating, moving forward until there is lettuce. And then while there is lettuce, pick lettuce. So she's moving forward and then picking lettuce. The lettuce is scattered all over the garden. Travel down each path until you reach a head of lettuce. Then continue to pick it while there is still some left. So we're doing this again. So repeat until there's lettuce, move forward, and then while there is lettuce, pick lettuce. And what we also need to add in a turn left and turn left block. Then turn left. And how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. So let's get a repeat block. So it gets a little bit tricky. You have to really put all the blocks inside of the blocks. But let's run it and see what happens. Oh, she gets there. She picks her lettuce. Yay! The lettuce is scattered all over the garden. Travel down each path until you reach a head of lettuce. Then continue to pick it while there's some left. So now we're kind of doing a similar thing. Repeat until there's lettuce, move forward, and then while there is lettuce, pick the lettuce, and then we have to think about the direction. So she's going right, she's going right, she's going right, she's going right, she's going right. How many times is she doing that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So let's put this all into a repeat block, and let's repeat it 6 times. And then let's watch her go. Yay! Okay, let's watch this video about conditionals.
We have a new block that's called the if-else block. It's a conditional statement just like the if block that you've used in the puzzles before. But now there's a new part at the bottom that says else. The if-else block lets the bee make a decision between 2 sets of actions. If the bee is at a flower, the bee will do the set of actions you put in the first part where it says do. If the bee is not at a flower, the bee will do the set of actions you put in the slot where it says else. So if statements are how computers are able to make decisions. Humans set up conditions for the computer that say if the computer is presented with a certain situation, do this. Else, which just means otherwise, do that. The top of our if-else block says if at flower, but the top of our block could say other things like if nectar equals 2, or if there's a path ahead. And our block will behave in the same way, that if the statement on the top is true, it will do the first set of actions. But if the statement on the top is false, it will do the second set of actions.
Okay, so let's give it a try. And let's see. So this is a challenge puzzle, so they're usually a little bit harder. The only way to get all the crops is to move forward until you get to the lettuce. Then turn left if there is a path to the left. Otherwise, turn right. So while there's, repeat until there's lettuce, move forward. And then while there's lettuce, pick the lettuce. And if the path is to the left, then we're going to go left. And if it's not, then we're going to go right. So I wonder if this will work. Let's try it. So there she goes. Okay, didn't work. So I must have forgot something. We need to add the repeat block. So let's think about how many times we're going to repeat this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's put it in 7 times. Run it. And let's see what happens. Yay! Move forward until you get to the lettuce. Then turn left if there is a path to the left. Otherwise, turn right. So let's see. So repeat until there's lettuce. Move forward. And then when there's lettuce, we're going to pick lettuce. And then if the path is to the left, we're going to turn left. Else, meaning if it's not, we're going to turn right. And we have to think about the repeating here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's 9. Let's try it and see. So again, you're kind of just trial and error sometimes. See if it works. Yay, it worked. Awesome, great job. Okay, so it did get a little bit more challenging, right, with lesson 4, and that's how it is with code.org. It does get more challenging as we go on in the weeks, but you guys are picking it up. Just think it through step by step, try to follow the instructions they give. And then what else did I want to say? Oh, it's okay if you make a mistake. You just try again. It's no big deal, okay? All right, guys. So please finish up lesson 4 and do your typing, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye, guys.